Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is actually leakage, I believe, droplets from I think somewhere here. It's probably there's some leakage. Probably I need to check here again. And also down here is quite dry, probably just there. So today I'm going to show you my annual inspection for my water tank. I'll just remove this cover for my poly tank. I would normally perform this check once every year or perhaps at least once every 3 years, 3 to 5 years. The main purpose is to check if there's any residue. Now, see, there's a spider carcass laying at the base of this poly tank. And then I'll look around the outlets. It's quite clear. I can see there's no mud and then the water is not murky. So I believe that my water filter, the external water filter, the condition is quite good, still considered in a good working condition. And then it's good to always have a fish net and a bucket. Bring it up here. In case there's any carcass like here, spider, I can easily scoop it out and then I put it into a bucket. And good to have also a very bright LED spotlight or a torchlight with me. And then yeah, that's basically what I need to do, okay? Or you can do it once you watch this video about water tank inspection. And it's actually quite useful to have a fish net, you can see. A big one, don't get a small one, a big one, so that it actually contain the whole carcass in a go. Okay, I think I'm going to drain this whole tank of water. I'm not going to leave with this water. I'm going to use this water with the carcass in here. So the last time I performed this check was actually 3 years ago. So first I'm going to switch off the valve inside and also outside the house. And then I'm going to turn on this drain valve. And the water is gushing out. There you go. Off you go. Lots of water, right? I think it's about 300 gallons, roughly half an hour. There, a sleeper is floating there. I'm going to remove it. Otherwise, it's going to be flooded. Yep, there you go. Now, I'm going to climb up there. Yes, yeah, this is actually a ball valve. I also bring up a cotton cloth, so they won't scratch the inner surface wall of this poly tank. I found that it's quite dirty. The inner wall is quite dirty. I do not know where this mud comes from. Probably it's from the water. I don't know where it's come from. Yeah, it's quite dirty. And then I'll finish with the inner wall, and then followed by the base. There you go. Then that's near the drain outlet there. I'll try my best to push all the dirt out through this outlet, okay, the drain outlet. It took me roughly half an hour and then another, I think 2 hours or 1.5 hours total, right? It's almost fully drained. And then all I need to do is turn on the valve, turn off this drain valve. So this is to turn on the inlet valve. And then I'm going to use this water pump to help fill up the tank. This is a ball valve, alloy ball valve, copper alloy. When the water is high, it will stop the water from coming in. I do not use stainless steel here because stainless steel ball valve, the rod cannot be bent. That's the problem. I hope this is a very helpful tip for you. Appreciate a thumbs up. And for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribe to my channel. Okay, and then I'll cover it. When the poly tank is empty, it's easy to cover. Just cover like this. And then I'll turn on the pump to help me to fill up the tank in a higher speed, right? Clean it up, and I hope this video is helping you, and appreciate a thumbs up. Bye bye.